Hi everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classes. I am Tufan. Today we will learn the fourth chapter of your class, which is measurement of length, capacity and weight, whatever the rest of all units of measurement we have. So here first we will talk about the measurement of length. Okay. So measurement of length, here we already learned in our previous classes about the measurement of length, weight and capacity. The same thing we will learn here also, but it will be slightly deep, slightly higher problems we will do. So first thing which we have is here the measurement of length conversion. So conversion also we have done lots. Okay, so let's see first conversion how we can convert kilometers into meters. Okay, so most important thing to convert kilometers into meters is we know how many meters is equal to 1 kilometers. How many meters is equal to 1 kilometers? Very good. Thousands meter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? So here we will check that only how 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So first thing we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. This is the thing we know. 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer. So now we also know that 1 hectometer, we also know that 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. Okay. So 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. This we know. So if 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, then 10 hectometer is equal to how much? 10 into 10 decameter, right? Because 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. So 10 hectometer will be 10 into 10 decameter, right? So this 10 hectometer we can write 10 into 10 decameter. Okay. Now again this decameter we will convert because we know 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So because 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, so 10 decameter is equal to 10 into 10 meter, right? So here it will be 10 into 10 into 10 meter. So this is how it will be 1000 meter. Then we can say 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This proof, right? So this is how 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, because we know 1 kilometer is equal to 10 hectometer and we know 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter. So because 1 hectometer is equal to 10 decameter, so it will be 10 hectometer will be 10 into 10 decameter, and again we will convert 10 decameter into meter. So 10, as we know 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. So 1 decameter is equal to 10 decameter, then 10 decameter will be 10 into 10 meter. So 10 into 10 into 10 meter is equal to 1000 meter. So this is how 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right? So now we know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. This we prove now. So now how much it will be? 3 kilometer is equal to? Definitely it will be 3 into 1000 meter. So 3000 meter, right? If I am talking about 5 kilometer, so it will be 5 into 1000 meter. So it will be 5000 meter, right? So simple, right? Now suppose it is asking in fraction that 3 divided by 2 kilometer is equal to how much meter? Then also we will multiply 3 divided by 2 into 1000 meter. So 2 5 are 10 and 2 0, 2 500 and 1000. So 3 5 are 15 So 1500 meter means 2 by 3 by 2 kilometer is equal to 1500 meter, right? Now next is meter into centimeter. Okay. We also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So how to prove C? So as we know, 1 meter is also 10 decimeter. This is DM means decimeter. DAM means decameter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter we know. Now we know that 1 decimeter is equal to 10 meter. Okay, so if 1 decimeter is equal to 10 meter, then 10 decimeter will be 10 into 10 meter. So it will be 100 meter. So this is how this is 1 meter. Meter into centimeter, na? Now we have meter into centimeter. Now conversion of meter into centimeter. Sorry, that one is slightly wrong. So we know 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, and we know 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. This is the thing, not meter. 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter because this is deci and this is centi. Okay. So 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. So it will be 10 decimeter will be 10 into 10 centimeter. So this is how it will be 100 centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter will be 200 centimeter, 4 meter will be 400 centimeter, 6 meter will be 600 centimeter, right? But in case of fraction, suppose it is asking, so 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Suppose I am asking 5 divided by 4 meter is equal to how much centimeter? So definitely 5 divided by 4 meter will also be 5 divided by 4 into 100 centimeter. So 425 are 100, 525 are how much? 5 to a 10, 125, right? So check once, 5 to a 5 5 by 25, 5 to carry, 5 to a 10 plus 2 12, this much of centimeter. So this is how you can convert if it is in fractions also. Okay, and this is how you can prove also that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, so this is all about conversions of meter into centimeter. Now let's discuss. Suppose it is asking, this is the number given in meter and you have to convert into kilometers and meters both. So most important thing is to convert in kilometers and meter is you have to first separate the number into thousands and the rest of all numbers. Rest of all number means ones, tens, hundred, whatever, that doesn't matter. But just you have to convert the thousands places. So thousands place where here we have this, you can write. So you will write like this: 4250 is equal to 4000 meter plus this one I am separating. So 4000 meter we have written. So 250 meter. Now we know 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. This is the thing which we know. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? This is we are knowing. So if 1000 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, then definitely 4000 meter will be 4 kilometer. So it will be 4 kilometer and 250 meter. This will be the answer. Okay. So this is how you can convert if it is in meter into kilometer and meter. So first you have to convert. This is the question that it will give in meter, then you have to convert in meter and kilometer. This type of lots of problems we have done in class 4. So I hope you will do by yourself the rest of all questions. Now meter and centimeter. Okay, so this is the number given. So for converting meter and centimeter, we know we have to separate it into hundred and rest of all. So here how many hundreds are here? 1 stands 100, 48 hundreds. So you have to convert 48 hundreds and the rest of all whatever it may be in tens place and one place, that will be combined. So here how many hundreds are here? 48 hundreds are here. So 48 hundreds centimeter and plus we will separate this as 16 centimeter. So 16 centimeter. So 4800 centimeter means how much meter? Because we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter we know. So 4800 centimeter will be 48 meter and how much centimeter? 16 centimeter. So this will be the required answer. Okay, 48 meter and 48 meter and 16 centimeter. So this is how you can convert if it is given in centimeter. So centimeter into meter and centimeters. Okay. Now we will see how can we convert meter into kilometer using decimals. Okay. So we know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, right? So suppose now I want to convert 1 meter into kilometer. So how we can convert? 1 meter will be how much? If 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, then 1 meter will be how much? This will be divided that side. So it will be 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Actually this is not the process that this goes to this side and divide. Actually we used to divide with the 1000 with both the side. If you divide 1000 with this side also, it will become 1 will be left, and if you divide this 1000, then it will be 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. So that means 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. So now if you convert this into decimal, so how much it will be? 3 0 are here. Okay, so this is 1 digit is already there, 1. So 2 more 0 you have to give, 2 more 0, and instead of 1 we will put decimal. So decimal, and before decimal you can give 1 0. So this much of kilometer. So that means 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Okay, so with this relation you can convert into meter into kilometer also. If it is asking that convert 400 meter or 46 meter into kilometer, just multiplying with this much you can convert, or by dividing with this much you can convert. For example, let's see, this you have to convert 5 kilometer and 20 meter into kilometer you have to convert. So it is very simple that 5 kilometer is already there. So just you have to convert 20 meter into kilometer. So 5 kilometer plus 20 meter into kilometer, if you want to convert, then 20 divided by 1000. Okay. So 20 divided by 1000, this will become changed to meter into kilometer because you have divided by thousands. So now this will be 5 kilometer plus this, if you want to convert into decimal, 3, this 0 is here, so 2 digit is already here, so write first 2 digit, 0 2, 1 more 0 you have to give, and instead of 1 we will give decimal, so this 0. So 0 decimal, 0 to 0 will be the conversion of this into decimal, this much of kilometer. Now if you add this, it will be 5 plus 0 2. So 5 decimal 0 2. After 2 digit you cannot write also this much of kilometer. So this is how you can convert into kilometer. You can convert kilometer and meter into kilometer. Most important thing is here you have to keep in mind that you are dividing by 1000, and after dividing by 1000, if you don't know how to convert in decimal, then you may face the problem. So here you have to try to understand very carefully. This is the short step I am telling. This is the easy trick I am telling, that. Otherwise you can try with the dividing also, by dividing also. Okay, so that will be long process. But here if you keep in mind that how we used to convert as much as 0, 3 0 are here, so in down also it should be 3 0, 3 digits. So 2 digit is also already there, but and instead of 1 we used to give decimal, that's all. So 1 की जगह पे हम लोग यहाँ पे decimal दे देंगे और 2 डिजिट है यहाँ पे, तो 0 और 2 है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट देना है बिकॉज 3 0 है, तो और एक 0 यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे। तो इस तरह से 0 to 0 होगा और डेसिमल से पहले एक 0 दे देंगे, तो 0 डेसिमल 0 to 0 हो गया। अब इसको ऐड करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन कन्वर्ट किलोमीटर एंड मीटर इनटू किलोमीटर। So this is also same as like centimeter into meter also will be same, this value will be same. So centimeter into meter we know 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter it will be 1 divided by 100 meter. So if you convert it into decimal, so 2 0 is here, 1 digit is here, so 1 and 1 0 you have to give, so 2 digit become, and instead of 1 it will be decimal, so 0 decimal 0 1 meter. Okay, so that means 1 centimeter is equal to 0 decimal 0 1 meter, right? So now this much. Now suppose some examples are given, so let's try those all examples. So here now we will take one example. So 6 meter is already converted in meter, so 6 meter plus this we have to convert into meter, so 240 divided by 100 here, instead of 1000 here 100, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Okay, so this much of meter. Now 6 meter is already here, so 6 meter plus this you have to convert into decimal. So before 2 digit you have to give decimal. So before 2 digit means before 4, so it will be 2 decimal 40 meter. So now we will add 6 plus 2 is 8 meter and 40 centimeter. 8 decimal 40 centimeter na, 8 decimal 40 meter. So this is how 8 decimal 40 meter will be the answer of this. We will discuss one word problem. The word problem is the total silk of a shopkeeper is 60 meter, and out of that total he sold 28 meter and 50 centimeter. So how much silk will be left with the shopkeeper? So this is the question. I have not written the question because it will take time. So this is the question, that total silk he have is this much, he has sold this much, so how much will be remaining? So what do you have to do is, definitely we will subtract, because this much he has sold and out of this much, so we will subtract. But how we will subtract, that is the most important thing. So 60 meter minus 28 meter and 50 centimeter, right? So subtraction here you have to check very carefully, that in place of meter we have 60, but in place of centimeter earlier we don't have any value, so we will give 0 in place of centimeter, and he sold is 28 meter and centimeter is 50. So this much he has sold. Now we will subtract. Okay, so let's see, now it will be 0, this will be 5. Okay, so this will be 9 1, right, and this will be 5, so 3. So 31 meter and 31 meter and 50 centimeter. So this much will be the cloth left with the shopkeeper. Okay, so this is how you can solve this word problem. Now this question asks that you have to convert the value into meter only. So to convert the value into meter, what we will do? We will divide this by 100. Okay, so centimeter into 100, how much it will be? Let's see. So if you want to convert this into meter, so it will be 31 will be as it is, 31 meter plus 50 centimeter will be 50 divided by 100 meter. Okay, so 0 0 will be cancelled, or you cannot cancel also. If you are not cancelling before 2 digit, you have to give 0. So 31 meter plus, because it is asking using decimals, so we will use decimals only. We put this, so 0.50 meter, so it will be 31 meter, 31.5 meter. Either 50 also you can write or 5 also you can write. So 31.5 meter will be the remaining silk with the shopkeeper. Okay. That's all about this topic. So today's homework is exercise 4.1. You have to do all the questions including word problems. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.